How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to apply for Afterpay as a merchant. So I'll be walking you guys through all of the steps on how you actually get to do this, and talking about the things and required documents that you need to become a merchant for Afterpay. So with all of that said, let's begin. So to actually do this is quite simple, and I have a bunch of guide pages that I pulled up from Wise and Afterpay themselves on the things that you need to actually be eligible to sign up for a merchant account for Afterpay. So let's first understand the things that you need to increase your chances of getting your application on Afterpay approved. So let's actually read through this one first. How do I set up an Afterpay store? So to partner with Afterpay and its payment plans to your checkout, you'll need to apply for a merchant account. So this is the form in question that we need to apply for. So it's not exactly a straightforward sign-up process where you enter your details, your store name, your products, the prices and whatnot, and call it a day. So what happens is Afterpay would first review your application to see if you are an eligible seller or merchant. And if you guys are, and all of your documents check out, then you should be ready to sell items on your store. So anyway, most businesses that sell goods are eligible. However, it says here that you can't sell electronics, dangerous goods, medicines, or goods intended for 18 plus audiences. However, electronics is actually a category that you can sell, because I tried signing up for an account, which I will get to later, but I'm guessing that this was before. But yeah, anyway, so businesses that sell services aren't eligible for Afterpay merchant accounts, as it makes sense. So it has to be an actual physical product to be eligible for the merchant account for Afterpay. So here's how to offer Afterpay for your business. Once your application for an Afterpay merchant account is approved, you can integrate Afterpay into your website, which is cool. So next, you will need to set up Afterpay for your business. And if you already use one of the major e-commerce stores, e-commerce store providers such as Wix or Stripe or Afterpay, Afterpay integration is very easy as everything works collaboratively. So what you need to do is log into your account, and this pertains to the e-commerce store which you're on, and basically add Afterpay as a payment method. So with all those details out of the way, let's actually get to how being a merchant for Afterpay works. So on this page, the way it works is quite simple, and we'll be reading through how it actually works. So you've signed up for Afterpay. Now what? As a merchant, understanding Afterpay's payment process is key. Not only will it give you clarity, but you will also be able to answer any questions that you may receive from your customers. So now that you're an Afterpay merchant, here's what to expect. First, integrate Afterpay into your online checkout or business terminal. So customers will then make purchases as they normally do, but can split their payment purchases over 4 payments. However, you, the merchant, will be paid within days. So in short, becoming an Afterpay merchant means that you can offer your customers a more flexible ways of paying, whereas you will instantly get the money within days. So they will basically spot you your money until the customer has fully paid Afterpay. They can get what they want when they want it, increasing average order value up to 40%. So having this added flexible way of paying ensures that more customers are buying from the store. And here's how it works. So a customer makes a purchase on Afterpay, and you will receive your settlement fund from Afterpay within days. So this is when they spot you, and you can keep track of all payments and orders via daily settlement reports in Afterpay merchant portal or via email. So meanwhile, Afterpay takes on all the risk between them and the customer, including fraud and late payments, so you can focus on growing your business. So this is good and all. So now let's actually sign up for an account. And to do so, What you guys want to do is you want to go to the homepage like so. So that's afterpay.com, and right on the homepage, you'll see on the top right corner of your screen there's a button that says sign up. So when you click on sign up, it'll take you to this page here where you get to enter an email that's tied to your business. So assuming that you have, basically just go through the robot captcha, or rather the captcha to ensure that you're not a robot, and click on next. And when you do, it's pretty much the same deal. You will sign up for an account, give your first name, and enter your country, and as well as the category or type of product that you're selling. So in this case, let's pretend that we're a computer store. So you know, we sell electronics, computer parts, maybe video cards, monitors and whatnot, RAM, keyboards, you name it. So after that, it's your basic run-of-the-mill sign-up process. You enter your phone number, and here is where it gets interesting. I want Afterpay for only whenever you're online, in-store only, or online and in-store. So you get 3 different options here, and it really depends on the way you decide to run your business. But yeah, that's it. So you enter your business name, your website, as well as the type of platform, or rather the store or the site where your store is in. So the popular ones, as we know, are Shopify, WooCommerce, and whatnot. So let's say that we're doing one for Shopify. So we just click on this. So through this, we're basically adding the payment method to our Shopify, so customers can actually pay through Afterpay. So this way, we get our money much sooner, and Afterpay takes the takes all the risk when it comes to the split payments and whatnot. And you can set it to total annual sales. This is just for credibility as well as security, because you know at the end of the day, Afterpay wants to make sure that you're able and you have the means to actually pay them back. So you just enter it here, basic sign up process, and when you do, you have the option here to enter is your business part of a franchise, buying group, or group with multiple entities. So if it is, click on yes, and it'll prompt you to enter the group name. If no, then just skip it and click on next. Now, it'll ask you to fill out more details for the form, and what will happen is Afterpay will review your application and see if you're eligible to use their platform as a payment method. And when they do, basically just log into in this case, your Shopify account. So once you're in the dashboard, and you can through there you can manage the payment methods. And yeah, that's it. That's how you apply as a merchant for Afterpay. So if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.